Alright, it's a nice day. Change brakes for 2004 Honda Accord. Okay, so they use 12mm wrench. So we're going to use this to open these two guys. Actually, all you need is to do one, since we're going to do the pads only. So one, and I think all we need to do is loosen up this one a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is the bolt. Now we're going to have to compress the piston back. So let's see, we're going to open this up first. Okay, straight out. It's very easy. Alright, here's the pad. So this pad does not have any wear indicator. So the wear indicator is right there. It didn't make noise yet, and it's very thin, so it's okay to replace. Okay, so this is a brand new Duralast for 23 bucks at AutoZone, and they have them in stock right away, so just go there and get it. Okay, let's put it back, but first let's clean all of these with a wire brush. Okay, so we need to compress this piston all the way back, so we can put the new pads in there. This is a tool from Harbor Tool Freight, and this is the best way to do it. Okay, so this piece right here, they have 3 sizes. So we just put it in here, and then extend it out, so it should fit the biggest one. Alright, so keep turning it. Okay, so it's a little snug. Okay, now just turn it all the way back in slowly. Don't do it too fast. Smoothly. You're pushing it in. Okay. Okay, so it's all the way in. So nice, huh? Alright, so now we're going to clean. So we should have the compressed air. Okay, so nice and clean. We put it back. So they have the grooves, so just place them in. Alright. The top one here too. So I think the more expensive brake pads, they will give you the new shim. But it's okay, as long as you can clean it nicely. One. And two. Alright, let's put this one back. Now, push it just a little bit, so we'll go in. Put back the screw, or the bolt, whatever. So tighten the nuts, and we're done. It's not easy, very easy, and fast. So after you tighten everything, go inside and press the brake pedal to make sure that they extended everything out on this side before we do the other side, okay? And make sure it still can rotate. Alright, so that's good. Alright, once I mounted the tire, and make sure to use the hand tighten instead of the electrical or machine one, because you can feel it better, okay? And finish one wheel at a time. Let's finish this one. And do them diagonally. Alright, so this side is symmetrical. So the procedure is the same. Redundant. We need to take these brakes out. Now, do you notice that I haven't used any screwdriver at all? There's no need screwdriver. So you won't. Okay. Don't forget the compressed air to do the final blowout. but for $23. Duralast, guarantee lifetime. So semi-metallic, organic, which is pretty nice. Okay, so where's my new pen? So the inside, outside, and somebody actually put this one face out. I saw it one time. His first time he did it, so that's why. Okay, so slowly push it in, slide it in nicely, and push the bottom one back in so it will go in place. Alright, where's my bolt? Everything fits really nicely. Alright, make sure you tighten these two nuts, or two bolts. Alright, don't forget. For people who don't know a Honda, they use 19mm for the lug nut, while Audi using 17mm, okay? So, 19. Okay, for safety, when you jack up the left side, you got to block the right side, okay? So you jack up on the other side, you put on this side. If you jack up on this side, you put these on the other side to make sure it doesn't roll. Alright, this is the brake set from Harbor Tool Freight. This one is about, I don't know, 30 bucks or so. Buy this.